Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, Language of Chemistry. This chapter is very crucial if you want to do well in chemistry. First and foremost, let us discuss what is an element. You have already studied in the previous chapters as well. Element. An element is the simplest form of a pure substance which is made up of only one kind of atoms. You have studied that elements can be further divided into metals, non-metals, metalloids, and noble gases. Now, a symbol. What does a symbol stand for? A symbol is the short form that stands for the atom of a specific element or the abbreviations used for the names of elements. You have studied in class 6 and 7 the symbols of various metals, non-metals, then metalloids as well as noble gases. For instance, carbon is capital C, chlorine is capital C, small l, hydrogen is H. Now, valency, what does it stand for? It is the combining capacity of an atom of an element. It is the number of electrons lost, gained, or shared during the course of a chemical reaction. I hope by now you might have memorized the definition of valency. It is the combining capacity of an element. It is the number of electrons lost, gained, or shared during the course of a chemical reaction. Now, you will learn there are certain elements that have valency 1, so we call it monovalent. For instance, potassium, lithium, sodium, these elements have valency 1. Then divalent, magnesium is there, calcium is there, zinc is there, they have valency 2. Trivalent, for instance, aluminium, the valency is 3, and so on. Now, there are certain elements that show variable valency. Certain elements exhibit more than one valency and are said to be having a variable valency. For example, iron, it has two different valencies. One, ferrous, Fe2 positive, the valency is 2. Ferric ions, Fe3 positive, the valency is 3. So, number of positive charges is equal to the valency. Here 3 positive charges, so valency is 3. Then copper, when the valency is 1, cuprous, that is Cu1 positive. When the valency is 2, we call it cupric, that is Cu2 positive. Similarly, there are other elements that shows variable valency. For instance, mercury has also variable valency, mercurous and mercuric. Tin, stannous and stannic. Similarly, lead also. Now, what I mean to say is you have to learn, memorize these valencies. There is no other way out. Now, whatever you have learnt in class 7 as well as class 8, please apply your learning and answer the questions that are given below. These are the questions that I have given. Write the symbols and valency of the following elements. I have given you 10 elements. You are supposed to write the symbols and the valency neatly and correctly. Question number 2, name 2 elements that exhibit variable valency other than iron and copper. So please pause the video and answer these questions neatly and correctly as assignment number 6, and do learn the valency and the symbols of all the elements that is given in your textbook. Thank you.